What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Solana, which has had a major drop in value 2 days ago. As you can see, going from $37 all the way down to $12 guys, dropping over 50% in the space of 24 hours. It is slowly starting to recover. As you can see, it's currently fluctuating around the $18 mark and has pumped up just about 28% in the last 24 hours. However, just because it's pumped up 28%, it doesn't mean it's recovering. It is not even halfway there. As you can see, major drop here on the 8th of November, which was 2-3 days ago, and right now is slowly going back up in value. So is it going to fully recover? Is it going to drop back down in value? Is it a crypto worth investing into right now? Should you buy the dip? Should you wait for it to drop further? Is it a similar situation as Luna? Obviously, what happened earlier this year, Luna did drop about 60-70%. People did buy the dip, and what happened after that? It dropped 99%, and yeah, essentially most people lost all their money that they've invested into Luna. So today's focus is all on Solana. So as you can see guys, the market is up nearly 10% in the last 24 hours. Just because it's up again, it doesn't mean it's recovered fully. It is on its way to recovery, but yes, not even halfway there yet. And we can see Solana is in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So going into the Coinbase website here, we can see in the last hour it has managed to gain 5%, over the last day 29%, over the week it is still down a massive 43% down guys. So nearly half of its value has been wiped off in a single week. That is what I mean by just because it's gone up in the last 24 hours, it doesn't mean it's anywhere near recovered. And over the month, a massive 42% down. It was all going well, all up until November the 6th, where it started dropping 7, 8, and also the 9th here, which was 2 days ago. And yeah, ever since yesterday it's slowly starting to recover. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone down by 17% in the last 24 hours, making it $3.4 billion in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Solana. We're seeing a lot of buyers buying the dips and a lot of sellers selling the cryptos. They don't want to risk it, so we are seeing a lot of sellers as well. We've got 92% buy against 8% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Solana at $28. However, it is trading at a much lower value at $18 here in red, meaning it is not performing too well and much lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. They're not looking too steep, they are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, we should be expecting it to trade at a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment. Potentially around $19 to $20 is what I'm expecting. Nothing too crazy, nothing major. Slow and steady increase in value is what we're going to be seeing over the next couple of days. However, I'm also expecting it to drop back down in value. Again, nothing heavy, but a minimal drop in value is expected, down to around $15 to $16. But let's go into that when we go to the hourly chart. So over the next couple of days, we are still looking bullish. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are going in a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should be expecting Solana to be trading above the $20 mark. However, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting green candles. We are going to have days when it's green and days when it's red, but As I mentioned previously, I am expecting it to drop back down in value before it recovers again. So again, it's going to be quite volatile. Do expect drops, do expect peaks, but hopefully guys, the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the positive side. And again, this depends on any major crashes that take place. These things are not expected, or any major pumps as well that could potentially happen, and these things are not expected either. But at the moment, over $20 is what I'm expecting by the end of next week, potentially heading to around $25 mark. Somewhere around there is what my predictions are at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we are looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking negative, heading towards a negative direction, bearish side, and the only reason for that is the major drop that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep dropping in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, because it's only basing it off the last 4 or 5 days where it had a major drop in value. But that is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to be trading at a higher value than what it's worth at the moment towards the end of the year. Potentially above the $30 mark is where I'm expecting Solana to be towards the end of the year. But again, if there are any major updates or major collaborations that they've got going on, or any major news that can have a potential impact on the value of Solana, either in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are not looking too great. We are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since May 2022, and over time we've been getting worse and worse and worse, and at the moment we are in the lowest part possible. And for us to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to hit at least $62.25, which we are not even close to. We're gonna have to go at least about a 500% increase for us to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from Solana anytime soon. So more or less guys, for the rest of the year and potentially over the next 5-6 months, is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, heading towards the green zone here, we should be good to go. But again, not anytime this year, I'm not expecting that. Hopefully next year we should be trading in the green zone and much higher. Hopefully guys, we see more pumps, more increases in value next year than we did this year. This year was not a good year for crypto at all. As you can see, this time last year Bitcoin was trading at over $60,000, and right now, you know, less than a third of its value has been gone in a space of a year, which is not looking too great. This year has been very volatile for the crypto market, but more or less moving towards a negative direction, which hopefully we take a U-turn from next year and move towards a positive direction. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana. Guys, I'm very interested on your predictions, your takes, and your take on Solana. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is your expectations from Solana for the year? Is it going to keep pumping up in value? Is it going to drop back down in value? Have you given up? Are you investing? Are you buying the dips? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, especially after the major drop that took place last week or earlier this week. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.